if we have a series which goes like this, ar to the power n minus 1, let's say. So instead of common difference between successive terms, there is a common ratio which is a fixed common ratio. Then we call it a geometric series. So in this one we can see that the common ratio is r, ar over r, or whatever, ar square over ar. So r is the common ratio and the first term is a. So sum of n terms, first n terms, is given by this formula: a r to the power n minus 1 r minus 1, provided r is greater than 1, and if r is less than 1, the sum becomes like that. So n is the total number of terms. So here the first ones are power of r can be said to be 0, and this one is n minus 1, so there are n terms in total in this series. And such a series can go up to infinity. So instead of having a finite number of terms, it can go up to infinity and still have a finite sum only if r is, the magnitude of r is less than 1. So r can be, so basically this one. And then which is called the limiting sum is infinity is a 1 minus r. That's the limiting sum. Of course r has to be less than 1, and then this one is the sum of limiting sum. So sum of such a series. So I will do an example afterwards.